Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make managing your finances as simple as possible. Today, we're diving into how to connect bank accounts to Simplifi. If you're new here, Simplifi is an awesome budgeting app that helps you track your spending, set financial goals, and keep everything organized in one place. It's a game changer for anyone looking to take control of their money without the hassle. First things first, make sure you have the Simplifi app downloaded on your phone or accessed via their website. If you haven't already, head to the App Store or Simplifi's site, download it, and create a free account. It's quick and secure, just enter your email and set up a password. Once you're logged in, let's get to the fun part. Tap on the Accounts or Budgets tab, depending on your app version, and look for the Add Account button. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of supported banks, or you can search for yours by name. Simplifi works with major banks like Chase, Bank of America, and many more, so chances are, yours is there. Now, select your bank and enter your login credentials. Don't worry, Simplifi uses bank-level encryption to keep your info safe. After you log in, you'll be prompted to authorize Simplifi to access your transaction data. This step is crucial, as it allows the app to pull in your recent transactions automatically. It might take a minute or two for everything to sync up, so grab a coffee while it works its magic. If you run into any snags, like an error message, double-check that your bank's supported on Simplifi's website or try resetting your password. Also, ensure you're on a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Once connected, you'll see your accounts pop up in the app, complete with up-to-date balances and transactions. There you have it. Connecting your bank to Simplifi is straightforward and secure, helping you build better financial habits. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay savvy.